Welcome back to Sajid Yoga Tips and Tricks channel. Hello everyone. Today we are going to practicing Naukasana, the boat pose. Nauka means boat in Sanskrit. The final position of this asana resembles a boat pose. So type is prone and category is culture. So please lie down on your abdominal and chest with the forehead resting on the floor. Keep the feet together and the arms on the sides. Stretch out the arms on both sides of the head and keep them parallel. Now turn down the palms on the floor with fingers close together. Now inhale, slowly lift your both hands and legs. While doing this, keep the upper arms touching the ears and feet together. Bring the head up as possible as high and keep it between the raised upper palms. And exhale, slowly relax. While you practicing this posture, balance the entire weight of the body on the lower part of the abdomen, which alone should touch to the ground, and relaxing in Makarasana pose 10 to 20 counts. Those who have undergone the abdominal surgery may avoid this asana for 2 months. And Naukasana bends the middle of the spine and make it flexible. It strengthens the hips, arms and thighs. Next, caterpillar pose. So, place your palms behind of your thighs. Same posture, lie flat on abdomen, chest with face downwards. Now, keep the knees rigid and stiffen the arms and legs. Now inhale slowly and deeply and hold the breath. Put mild pressure on the clenched fist and rise backward both legs together. Slowly as high as you can. Form the navel without raising the head or bending the knees. Hold the position for a few seconds. And exhaling, put mild pressure on the fist and lower the legs slowly to the floor without bending the knees and relax in Makarasana or Savasana posture. Cardiac patients and diabetics may avoid this posture. Proceed cautiously in low back pain. Shalabhasana is a good exercise for the legs, thighs, hips, buttocks, the lower abdomen, diaphragm and wrists. And contraindication pose, child pose. Make sure your buttocks touch to your heels and your forearms touch to your floor in front of your knees. And type 2 child pose. Sit in Padmasana or cross leg position. Same exhale, bend forward. Make sure you can stretching your upper body fully forward. Now be there. Take a deep inhale and deep exhalation, relaxing your body. So these both asanas is very good asanas for strengthening your spine and the muscles of the small of the back. Because of the deep inhale and holding the breath in this asana, lungs expand and become strong and the chest broadens. So thank you all of you, and please subscribe